Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade our this 19-inch widescreen ELO touch from a CCFL to our UB64 series LED kit. So this kit comes with the 2 LED strip, 1 drivers. There's no wire needed because the pin out is the same. So it's well, set aside the LED kit. All right. So we're gonna take a look at the screen. I mean the open field monitor. I'm not sure you can see it. ET1938L-8CWA-3-G. It's a long number. It's 19-inch widescreen touchscreen model. So there's a larger screw here. We try to save the time in the video. We already took it out, and you know all this screw must be taken out. So after you take out the screw, basically you just kind of like take it out like this. You see this? When you take it out, you see this is a touchscreen. This is, you see all these wires. This is called SAW touch, SAW, which is stand for Surface Acoustic Wave Touch. So when you touch it, you know you block those waves and tell the computer, and then they know where you touch it. That's how it works. Next thing, you see this. We had to remove this thing because we need to remove the touchscreen connector. Alright, this video gonna be probably a little bit longer. I'm gonna break in 2 or 3 parts. Okay, when you remove it, you see these connectors. Usually you're gonna make a mark, and just in case you know which one is it, which is I will use the marker. So we know which side is it. Then you disconnect it. After you disconnect it, you flip over. The screen actually is holding by just 2 screws on each side. Okay, the chassis and screen. So let's see what we can do here. So we're gonna take it out. One here. Okay. Get it later. That's good. What's inside? That's okay. So now let me try to set it down, face down again. See that? I took out. When you take it out, you be careful because remember the touchscreen will stick to a screen by using double-sided tips. First thing, you remove this screen wire harness. Okay. Okay. We can reuse the new tape later. Okay. All right. Took it out. Then you flip over. You're gonna see. Oops, the screws here. You see the backlight connections? Right? So basically you just disconnect this. Okay, remove the inverter. Okay, remove the wires. Okay. This one's a little bit tight. Maybe it's sit there for a long time. Okay. All right. Let me take out the screws. Okay, screws here. 1, 2. All right. So let's set the screen aside. Just for 1 minute. Now, our LED kit, so we can mount it back. Let's see. Yeah, we can mount it back, and we're just using 1 screw. So you see this. Here's our mounts. As I said, no wire needed because the same connectors. Okay. See. All right, this one connect here. Okay, so perfect. So I'm going to peel off this plastic pole. Make sure it's here. Okay, make sure you stick to it. So inside the LED kit. All right, this part is done. Okay, let's take a look at the screen here. Who makes this screen? Okay, this screen is actually made by AU Optronics. The screen part number is let's see it, M190 PW01 version 0, 19 inch, which the screen has a 1440 by 900. Next thing we need to do is try to remove the back cover. So I'm going to show you in the next video.